Morning, guys. What is up? Sorry, I'm a little late, guys. I'm a little late, but I'm right on time. By the looks of things, we're right on time here. How you guys doing, man? Hope you had a great weekend. I sure did. Thank you, Jesus. Let's see what we got today. Look at Naz, man. Look at Naz pulling down for us. That's a big zone. Did I draw that? I don't know about that zone. I'm going to get rid of it for now. I don't remember why I drew it, so I'm going to get rid of it. Pretend it don't exist. It doesn't exist because I got rid of it. How you guys been, man? Let me check the news. Today is the 16th. Wow, we're way behind here. No news today, guys. I think today's a holiday, man. Today President's Day or something, man? All right. Anyway, we could be coming down here. Let me see the 15-minute real quick. All right. Let me go to the 10. Yeah. All right. That's the deal, guys. We got to come here and sweep this. Right there. Make it red. That's what we're looking for on that. We're looking for a sweep there for a buy. Okay, US 30. US 30 is a little more interesting. We could actually buy it here. Check gold. Gold, we could actually buy it right here. What do you guys think, man? I think we could buy it right here. Right on this fair value gap, at the touch of this fair value gap. How have you guys been, all right? Guys, I put out a new video about what happened the other day. It's only a 3-minute video of the results of our first vote and our first token buy with Sosana. The results were good, man. For the first time, it was freaking good. I doubled my investment, a little more than doubled. So I'm just trying to get this ready here. All right, there we go. That's gold. So we got US 30 and gold, two options. Let's see which one comes first. I would say gold if it's going to come. That's good. They just gave us a TP1. Perfect. This just appeared, this POI, while we were watching. That's a perfect TP1. Where's our opening range? There it is. Okay, it's there now. All right, Gold. Don't leave without us, Gold. We're waiting for you right here. Right here on this fair value gap. Could come here now, guys. Keep that in mind. If we do take it, you could have some drawdown there. But it's all right. It's going to come back for us. It always does, my friend. All right, this looks like it's leaving without us. See if it takes our liquidity. If it takes our liquidity, it's probably coming here, guys. I'm not looking for a sell, though. I really see our session bias is bullish. All right, it just took that liquidity. So let's see now what it does. I don't mind selling. I do it all the time, but I just kind of had my heart set on it, on a buy right off this fair value gap here. That was as soon as I saw the chart, that's what I saw. You know. But it's okay. We might have to be a little patient with this. We might have to wait for it to come down here, and then we'll buy it. I don't feel the same about it now. Let me see what US 30 is doing. US 30 is messing around. It's too big. We'll leave it for now. It's showing that it's oversold already. Our little RSI thing, which really doesn't matter much, but it's just something to think about. So that's what it is. I'm waiting for a sweep here, and I'm buying. Okay, even though this says bearish, there's a lot of liquidity sitting there. Let's see what happens. We got to get there first. Who's that knocking at my door? Any news today? Guys, I got a video I just made called We Grab 100% Profit on the Solana Ecosystem Every 2 weeks. Check out that video, guys. That's Solana in action, man. If you want to check out the video too, you can just scan the QR code that you see on the live stream. Let me put my things here. Shout out to all my Kick guys. Hey, Kick. How you doing, man? How you doing, Kick? Thanks for hopping on, man. All right, let's see. Lite. Guys, I will not be on tomorrow. Tomorrow, I have to go to Fort Lauderdale first thing in the morning. I'll be there all day. I will be back Wednesday, though. We'll be back Wednesday. Guys, we're about to get our bell rung here. Get ready to take a buy, guys. As soon as it rings that alarm, I'm buying. All right, that's my plan. I'm sticking with it. Guys, I'm definitely going to enter here soon. Let's see what it does. I want to be a little patient, but I don't want to miss this trade. I really like this one. Okay, we just swept that. Let's see if we can come down all the way. All right, guys, I'm going to enter, man. Let me just see what it does real quick here. All right, I'm in, guys. I'm in. Make this a little shorter, man. It's ridiculous. Because I put the box on the 5 minute. All right, we're in a buy, guys. Now we are in profit. Let's see if it gets out of there quick. If it gets out of there real quick, man, it's awesome. That means we're in good shape. I love when it just sweeps and runs, man. Come on, baby. Let's go. Now, let's make a little plan here. I got in right over on the red line where I wanted to. That was a perfect entry. Couple pips drawdown, no big deal. Right there's 50 pips. There's my first TP right there, guys. All right, come on, man. Stop messing around. It could come here for this one, guys. I don't know. Let's see what happens. It looks like it's headed down. Let's see. Never know, guys. Yeah, how was your weekend, guys? You go to church? Over here, man, we have like a drought going on in Florida. Nobody's talking about it, man. Also, there was a fox outside our houses over here running around. Everybody was going nuts about the fox. They got a film of it, like running through the yards. All the neighbors, pretty cool. I guess it lives over there by the orange trees. It was over here looking around. Hope it don't have rabies or nothing, but kind of nice to see like stuff like that. I still haven't seen it live. I'm the only one that didn't see it. All my neighbors saw it. They filmed. They got a film of it though, so sort of film. I enjoyed seeing stuff like that, man. When I used to live in New York, when I had 12 acres, we used to hunt there and everything. I used to see foxes all the time. I saw coyotes. I saw a coyote chasing a deer one time when I was hunting. I saw a bear one time when I was hunting. All in my backyard, man. Awesome. It was in Orange County, New York, guys. There were so many deer in Orange County. It's unbelievable, man. If you drove around the evening, there would be like herds of deer in every field, man. It was crazy, man. Turkeys. cool. It was cool. Orange County's a nice place in New York, man. And it's kind of far, man. To get to my job in New York City was 75 miles one way. So it was a little far, man, but it was worth it. It used to take me about 2 hours, man. A little less to get to work. Hour, 45 minutes, something like that. All right, come on, Naz. Let's go, man. Trying to kill time while waiting for Naz to do the right thing here. Come on, Naz. You know you want to go up. You came down already. Now it's time to go up. Time to pull back. Yeah, I'm going to get rid of this line, guys. I don't need this alarm ring. Oh, still coming down. I guess it wants to come down, guys. Anyway, we got like 12 minutes to New York Open. I like that wick there. That's good. Nice wick. Make sure. I need to check to see if we were live. I was running a little late. That's why. You know. Hate that, man. Let's see what we got. Looking better now. It's stacking up there. It's sidetracked, man. Damn phone. The phone is a curse, my friends. Go to set off an alarm. Alarm. I'm gonna just get rid of this alert. We're already in a trade. Coming here for a sweep, looks like. US 30, same. Looks like it's getting ready to reverse, guys. It has to break through that fair value gap, though, right there. If we can close above that fair value gap, I think we're heading north. What do you guys think, man? We're heading north or what? Come on, baby. Let's go. Come on, baby. Put on the lucky music. Come on, Naz. Don't let me down, man. You don't like it if I'm mad. Don't get me mad. You don't like it if I get mad. That's the hope, right? I got 6 minutes to New York Open, guys. What do you think's gonna happen, man? Come on, baby. Come right into our zone. All right, 1 more minute. We should start getting more volume soon before the open. We've got a TP set here, guys. That's where I plan on getting out. That's about 50 pips from our entry. I'm going to get out, let's say, take at least half. I might take a little more than half, like 3/4 or 2/3 maybe. I want to get 30 pips in the bank. Well, let's see what it does. It's got to get there first, right? Let's get the win first. All right, 5 minutes in New York Open, guys. Let's see. The volume should be starting soon here. Guys, I will not be on tomorrow. Don't forget. Wednesday we'll be back. This thing's about to win, so I'm just making my announcements before we get out of here. You know what I'm saying? That's how we do it, bro. We're about to make some money, and then we go enjoy ourselves for the rest of the day. That's how we do it here. We don't sit around all day listening to me BS. We make a little money and we go on our way, man. Like gentlemen. All right, we formed a little support here. I think you see it here. I'm gonna put it there. I just want to see a curiosity if it already existed. Let me go up a little bit on the time frame. Hold on a sec, guys. Let me go to 10 minutes. Okay, you see it here? Right here. Here. So it already existed. There's a million of them on the chart. It's not, doesn't really mean much, but you can see it, that it's an area. See the wicks and everything. You see it's an area of interest to some people. The bankers, I guess. Let me get rid of this so it doesn't confuse us. Okay, 3 minutes, guys. It looks like we're going to sweep here. I'm going to take another buy here if we sweep. That's what that looks like. Guys, I've been trading on the high time frame, 4 hour and daily. And it's been going great, man. I'm going to start, I'm going to do something with that, guys. If you want, join me join my broker. I might put a thing there I'm thinking about. I'm actually probably going to do it. I'm going to start an account where I trade for everybody. And I'm going to do it under the new broker. Liquid Brokers, alright guys? So you should find the link in the description if you want to do it. It's up to you. But I'll be doing that on the higher time frames with stop losses, you know, different than this. I'm going to get a haircut today. Got a big appointment tomorrow. I got a house I got to get filled. Doing good, man. Everything's moving along, man. Everything's moving along. So Sana's looking good. I made some money on that Monday. I put in 4 Sana. I got back 4 1/4. So I made, you know, I got more than 100% gain. You're gonna do that every 2 weeks. That's not bad. Watch the video, guys. The proof is in the video. It's on the website too. It shows your voting record. On 1 minute, guys. 10 seconds. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off. Which way are we going? Uh-oh. The delay. Not even moving. Looks like it's pushing up. We're kind of just hanging around there, guys. Let me see. Man, it's slow today, man. What the heck? Come on, Naz, let's go, man. You've been hanging around the same spot. I think today's a holiday, man, right? Today's like a bank holiday, man. I think it's like President's Day or something. Let me check. Hey, Siri. Is today a holiday? Yeah. Washington's birthday. I think that's now known as President's Day. I should have known that. I'm going to hang out a little bit, guys. Looks like it's coming to give us what we want here, though. We're getting the oversold. When we get that green line on the chart, guys, that's telling us to start looking for a buy. That's just an indicator. It doesn't mean nothing. Let me see. Yeah, red and green. Is that it? Red and green zone reversal. believe so. I have that on there twice. Whatever. All right, let's see if it'll ring our alarm. We're going to take a buy here. I'm going to take a buy here, guys. I'm going to enter if it, if it comes down again and just gets real close, I'm just going to enter. All right, so far I'm not in. Come on, baby. Let's go, man. Let's go, Naz. I hate when it's real slow. Let me see what US30's doing, just for the heck of it. I want to get in this trade here if we're going to get in, but I got to go make a cup of tea. And it's stressing me out, guys. Look at gold. Gold just swept. Oh, my buttons ain't working. Yeah, gold just swept. Let me get rid of this, guys. See, gold just swept the zone. See if it goes up now. All right, guys, I'm getting ready to enter. I'm in, guys. I'm in right there. All right, so now this has become TP1. This trade, if it comes here, I'm closing this one full. And that will be approximately 60 pips. Beautiful. So as soon as this trade goes into profit, this one gets closed full. You feeling me on that, guys? All right, guys, I'm going to go get a cup of tea. Hold on a sec. All right. I'm back. What are the alerts here? Something's going on here. Authorities. Shouldn't have. I don't see them. They don't get to me. NUDK. Right. H bar is 10 cents. Coming back a little. Beautiful H bar, man. I own a big bag of H bar, guys. I recommend H bar. At 10 cents, it's a steal, man. All right, what are we doing here with Nats? Right, the only other place it could be going is here. Possible. I mean, it could go all the way to zero. Don't get me wrong. I'm going to put an alert there for later anyway, just in case that is the situation. I'll get to for future reference. Back to 1 minute. Now we're almost back at our entry. Good morning, Joan. Joan, hope I'm saying your name right, Joan. Good morning to you, my friend. I didn't see your comment. I usually look. I don't look at the screening software when I'm trading. I look right on TradingView. So I miss the comments most of the time. So I apologize for that, my friend. I can't see the chart as good on the software as looking right at TradingView. So I apologize, friend. I am not avoiding people or, ignoring people. I just don't see the comments. Please like and subscribe, my friend. And welcome. Thank you for stopping by. We're back at our entry, guys. We are in profit a little bit on the second entry, guys. You know what I mean. You don't have to say, oh, what about the other one? People on the internet are like weird, man. They're always trying to call you out, like no matter what, Crazy, man. They're very confrontational because they're not in your face. If they were sitting there next to you, they wouldn't say crap, believe me. You guys know what I mean, man. People are nuts, man. All right, so we're right at break even now on the second entry. Let's see if we can push up. Need a nice reversal here. I'm watching a little stuff about houses for sale here while I'm trading. Excuse me. This house was listed for $125,000. Now they're trying to sell it for $50,000. They can't sell it. Where is this thing? It's in Pennsylvania. Monongahela. I can't even say it. I never heard of it. I used to live near Pennsylvania by the Delaware Water Gap. Not near, but within striking distance. and by the Poconos up there. Houses were cheap up there, man. I think they were made very cheap too, like the newer Pocono style houses. I drove around up there. That's a good hunting spot too, man. Crap. Pennsylvania's loaded with bears too. Big bears up there too. I seen a bear up there one time, man. It had to be like 800 pounds. It was eating bagels out of a dumpster, man, in the back of a bagel shop. And the thing was almost as big as the dumpster. Big fat bear, man. Crazy. There's a ton of bears up there in New York, where New York meets New Jersey and Pennsylvania. Many of you guys are familiar with that area, man. I used to have bears. I lived on this property. Behind my property was state property. It was called Bear Swamp when I had my house in Jersey. And man, there was a ton of bears on that property, man. Unbelievable. I had a little house over there. I lived in Orange County, and I had a little house over there, right on the border of Bear Swamp. If you're a bear hunter, that was the spot, man. We used to see bears all the time over there, man. They used to be in my backyard. I'm sitting on my back porch. Back then I had an American Bulldog, and he was always like trying to fight with them, man. Crazy. Domino. I miss Domino, man. That was a good dog. They're good dogs, man. American Bulldog. Hold on a second. Pushing up, guys. Some of you guys know I'm into real estate. I got to get back on track with my real estate investing, guys. The whole point of doing all this is to get real estate. I will push it up nice, guys. I'm getting a short signal. If some of you guys want to take profit there and put a stop loss, I can't say that I blame you. I'm going to hold for now. I want it to come up here. I want this one to break even at least. If I could close both right there and be up like 60 pips, I believe it was. Let's see. Let's check again. Yeah, it's around 60 pips, 63 pips. We'll call it 60 pips. Georgia, 50,000 in Georgia. Ah, the tea is good, man. Oh, we're still climbing up a little bit. Still advancing. We have a fair value gap right here. That could be an issue. Now look, we could close both right here and still make like 40 pips or something like that, you know? And there's nothing wrong with that, guys. That's one of the reasons why you stack these trades, to give you options. I will probably hold. That's the way I feel right now anyway. See what happens here. This is the best way to trade, guys, that I have found. I mean, you know, I know it's not saying much that I have found, but I've been trading for like 6 years, and I've traded with different mentors, and they all trade different. And this, I kind of developed this on my own, this style of trading, and you know, and that's probably what happens with most people is, you know, you study one guy's way, and it's human nature, man. You bounce around from guy to guy, and you just figure out something on your own, you know. And that's just the way it is. But this has worked for me. I've shown my back office where I went a whole year and won 96% of my trades. You know, that video is in on my channel. It's called 96% win rate with proof. So I invite you to go watch that video. Then I did another 6 months where I won 98%. And then I didn't make one this time because I switched brokers. But I mean, you can see we're here every day winning. So, you know, 96, 98, you know, even 80. Most people don't even win. So if you're a winner in Forex, man, even 51%, man, pat yourself on the back. We're about to win today. So pat yourself on the back, man. Congratulate yourself, man. You're a champion, man. Don't ever forget it. What I'm going to do is if we violate this fair value gap, which means close below it, I'm going to take profit and put a stop loss so that this trade doesn't go negative on me. And then we're going to watch it. Well, I'll watch it from the Facebook group. Guys, get in the new Facebook group, man. I made a new Facebook group just for Sosana. Okay, where we could talk about the voting and which token we like, you know, out of the ones that are nominated and stuff like that. Because what they're going to do now is instead of just airdropping you the token that won, they're going to airdrop you Sosana tokens too. They're going to split it in half. So that's pretty big, man. I want those Sosana tokens, man. You know, I want 100,000 Sosana tokens. When this thing gets to $10, I want to have $1 million. Man. That's my goal. I'm far from it right now, but working my way there, man. We could work together, man, and figure out these you know, what we're gonna do, man, with this voting and stuff. You know, we could vote like a block. I don't know. I don't see nothing wrong with that. You know, if we get together and decide to vote together for the same token, if we like the project, what's the difference? All right, guys, we're pushing up again. We're almost at our TP here. Let's see if we can keep going. Make it a little more visible if we can. You guys see it all right? Come on, man. Let's go, baby. I hate that box, that short box, man. Blocking my view. Plus, it's saying it's going the opposite way. I hate that even more. You're pissing me off, short box. All right, let's see what happens. Oh, right, here we go. We'll push it back up. Come on, man. Let's keep going, baby. Guys, do you want to watch that video that shows the token we took and everything? We're going to be doing it every 2 weeks on a Monday night, guys, is when we're going to buy the token or the coin, whatever you want to call it, you know. If you scan that QR code you see on the screen, or just click the link in the chat box there and watch the video on that page. It's only like 3 minutes. It just shows you the coin. It shows you the chart of what happened when we entered, you know. And if you think about it, guys, we're like a small group now. Look at how we moved that coin. All right, guys, you think there's profit to be made there? Imagine when there's 5,000 of us. There's probably not even 1,000 people participate, a few hundred probably. Imagine when there's 10,000 of us or 50,000 of us, how we're going to move these small market cap projects. What kind of profit there is to be made there, guys? Think about it, man. Think about it, man, and take action. That's my advice, my friends. I took action as soon as I understood how this thing worked. Back in July, man. I've been waiting for this thing to launch since July. All right, guys, we're getting ready to take profit here. We're getting ready to close full. All right, guys, I'm out. I just closed. I just closed, guys. I closed the second entry. Now I want to close the first one. So I'm up 60 pips. Anybody take that, man? Anybody get that? I just wanted to push into this box a little, and I can close this one in profit. I'd like to get like 10 pips out of it or something. If it'll push up aggressively, I'll hold it, and I'll put a stop loss when it gets up about 20 pips or something. But if it doesn't look like it's going to go, I'm just going to close it in profit. Which it doesn't look like it's going to go. It doesn't look like it to me, man. If we could just push up a little bit, it's probably going to hit this fair value gap. All right, guys, I'm out. All right, guys, I'm just going to call that 60 pips. But both trades are closed in profit. Probably, 65, maybe 70 pips tops. But you can see here we came into profit. I got out in profit. That's it, guys. That's the day. That's our win for the day, man. Hope you guys caught that. Both trades closed in profit. That's the way we do it. You can still hold if you want. I didn't feel like holding. Today's a holiday and things are slow. Normally, I would have held that trade. You guys know that have been watching me for a while, man. All you kick guys, you know that, man. So, guys, that's another win. Let me put it in the chat. Give me a W, man. Give me a like and a subscribe, guys. We got our W. We always get our W here, man. We don't mess around. Let me put a W. Kick. All right, guys. We rock and roll. Guys, I will not be on tomorrow. Don't forget. Don't come here looking for me. I will not be here tomorrow. I have to go to Fort Lauderdale. I'll be in the car all day and doing meetings. Wednesday, I will be back full swing to get our win for the day. Thank you guys for stopping by, man. I appreciate it. Cheers, guys. God bless you guys, man, and have a great day on purpose, guys. Thank you. See you Wednesday. Cheers, guys.